Hey guys, it is February the 9th, 2023, and today I'm going to give you a little update on my Bismarck palm seeds that I've been germinating. And we're also going to move a few of them back up into a few larger pots now. These containers here have the germinated seeds that have already germinated in the house. I've got them in the soil here growing. And here are a few that I have already grown from seed to this size. And we're going to be taking this plant and we're going to be moving it up into a larger pot today. These are in 9-inch tall containers, and as you can see, the Bismarcks are already starting to grow out the bottom. They send down a very long, large main taproot. So I'll be having to move these into some 3-gallon pots very shortly. Alright, so today I'm going to be moving this Bismarck palm from this pot into this pot. As you can see, it does have a little taproot coming out the bottom now, so it needs a bigger pot. And as you can see, lots and lots of root growth. It's going to like being in this new pot. And there you have it. Bismarck palm potted up into a 15-gallon container. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll be doing more updates on more of my trees. Thank you for watching. I still have about 400 Bismarck seeds germinating here in these grow containers. Still in here inside on the heat mat. And temperature right now showing about 95.3. So those are still germinating. Every 3 or 4 days I'm getting anywhere from 9 to 20 germinated seeds out. This video does contain an affiliate link, so if you're considering a greenhouse or possibly a raised garden bed with a little mini greenhouse or just a raised garden bed in general, check out quictent. You can find them in one of the tabs at the top of the screen, top of the video, or in the comments and description. If you do use the link to purchase a greenhouse or mini greenhouse, raised garden bed, I do receive a commission. And at checkout, if you use the promo code GREG8%, that'll give you a little bit more of a discount on the purchase. And here are the 2 Bismarck palms potted up into the 15-gallon containers. These little guys will follow suit shortly.